Lock 2 East in Wharton is one of the best preserved sections of the Morris Canal and features a rare portion of the canal prism still filled with water. Although the lock was filled in during the canal abandonment in 1924, and the top few feet of the lock walls were removed, the site retains a high degree of historical integrity. The Borough of Wharton purchased the lock site, the canal prism, and other adjacent properties beginning in 1926 directly from the state. In 1976, the borough excavated the existing watered portion of the canal in order to restore the canal prism, becoming one of only a handful of sections of the canal prism that reflects its historic appearance. The borough is in the process of restoring Lock 2 East to a working condition. Wharton will create an outdoor museum to promote the history of the canal and its impact on the development of the communities along its banks. Students from the Alfred E. McKinnon Middle School in Wharton participated in the archaeological investigation of the lock and discovered some important artifacts. As much as possible, original materials will be used in the restoration. When the restoration is completed, Lock 2 East will be the only functioning lock on the Morris Canal in the state of New Jersey. Visitors will be able to see and experience what it was like to ride a canal boat through a Morris Canal lock.